You get these bananas and peanuts, oranges, and you see that you will get alcohol in every department store here. Alcohol is available everywhere. Widely available part is alcohol. This one wants to come with me only. We match each other's pace. So you're meant to walk when vehicles are passing by. Doesn't feel nice. So I've made our guide, our cameraman. I got the museum tickets here at Gandhu.
Gandhu, yeah.
Okay, let's go in.
What's that?
No, got it. Nice. So this is in lane like though?
Feva Lake.
Feva Lake. For me it was Feva Boat Association, Feva Lake. This is how close we live. That green board there is the hotel, and at street number 8 we are right in front of Feva Lake boatway. Nice. This is hotel Glacier Hotel and Spa. ಏನೋ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ There is this viewing deck of Feva Lake. There's boating facilities here. Oh, look at them. Paddle boats. Oh, so many waiting. Mahendra Cave, Fishtail Mountain. Fishtail Mountain is actually visible from here. Hello, Macha Pushari.
That is the Fishtail Mountain.
Dude, I am amateur at this. So you need to slowly, in detail, explain. You talk about bikes, I'll talk at Fishtail Mountain. There are a lot of places in Pokhara that you need to visit. So we'll do all that once we finish the trek. Today we'll be heading out. There's a 2 hours drive before we reach the starting point of Annapurna Conservation Camp. No, not base camp, the conservation. What forest is that called?
I don't know.
There is a gate, no entry gate. So conservation area or something like that. There's some national park basically. Then you go show your permits there and enter. That's when you're on foot. You know how this is going to go. See, 7:05 in India time. So it is 7:20 now. We were asked to be ready at 7 for breakfast and what is that?
And we are very punctual, so we are already
You're already punctuality. We are up by 5:30. I was up at 4:30 and slept again. So here's Harshit. He wants to do hello friends. Totak bandidvi. So document submitted. Yen form ado consent form
consent
form,
This is the
medical certificate. This is the permits. My permit is somewhere inside that. You need to bring one passport size or stamp size photo, which is mandatory. So don't forget to bring a photo. All our luggage is here. This is basically the offloaded luggage of my. That is Yatish's bag. Few others. My backpack. Everyone is considering my bag is to be heavy. I don't know. They're like, will you even carry it? I said, okay, if I'm not able to, someone will do it for me then.
Yeah.
So he's ready.
He's saying that I'm the backup.
He's the backup. I'll borrow his bag. He'll say.
My porter is there.
Works like that. Yeah, it's 8:10 according to Nepal time. 8:10 ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದು Indian time. ಹೌದು Nepal time 8:10.
Plus 15 minutes.
8:10. Almost said the bus has come. So we just stopped at a store, medical shop to get water purifier tablets, right? So we were told it is better to carry them. We'll take that. Whoa, relax, boss. क्यों करो?
Carton.
अरे आप ऐसे बोल देंगे काट लिया था. So हम कितने लोग हैं सर? Total 21.
21.
So 21 of us, 3 porters and 4 guides.
They don't have it. Including trek leader, huh? They don't have it.
They don't have it. Okay, we'll go further. वो फिशटेल पीक है क्या?
कौन सा वाला?
वो ऊपर जो दिख रहा है सीधा.
Oh, नहीं, Annapurna. वही अन्नपूर्णा है
वो अन्नपूर्णा है।
बस हो गया ट्रैक
अरे हो गया, बस पहुंच से अन्नपूर्णा दिख गया।
गाइस सामने अन्नपूर्णा दिख
सामने अन्नपूर्णा देख लिया, यू टर्न लेंगे।
सामने दिख रहे हैं
हाँ अन्नपूर्णा देख लिया।
ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು, ಕೆಂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು. ಹಾಯ್ ಮೈಕ್.
Fancy bus. This is the check post and beautiful place. ಹೋಣ ಕೆಳಗೆ? ಹಾ
ಜಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ?
ಸುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಯು ವೇ. ಹಾ ಏ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ ಬಾಸ್,
ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಮುಗ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಮುಗಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆನಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಬೈ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಯು ಸರಿ बस कितना? बस काफ़ी है, नहीं काफ़ी है बस। कितना? 100 दिन के लिए कम करना आप। So I just bought 3 fresh oranges for 100 rupees. So this is a check post. All details are here. Tham Danda Trek information map board. Pokhara, Nayapur, Virati. So you can pause and go through the details. Then bike parked here. So. This is information of Great Himalaya Trails. Bire Thanti. That's the Annapurna Conservation Area check post. This is Mr. Raj, Mr. Vijay, our guides. He's from India, right?
Yeah.
You're from India, he's from Nepal. And there are 2 more. So we are going to Gandrok, and this is Gorefani.
Oh no,
No, you have to go to Gorefani.
Punil from here.
Punil?
Gorefani is Punil from this way.
Okay.
ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್.
This is you have to walk.
Yeah, from here can walk.
So you can walk from here, okay. There is a check dam also here. Nice. You get these bananas and peanuts, oranges, and you see that? You will get alcohol in every department store here. Alcohol is available everywhere. Widely available part is alcohol. Huh? Your name? Darshan. Ah, Darshan. Hemant, correct. I remember my name. Ah, Martin. Okay. So we've reached the last stop. From here on, okay, aap Ram hai na?
Yes, Ram.
This is Ram. He is also one of our guides.
We are starting from here side.
Ah. This is Kimchi, where the bus dropped us off. Ordered for food, which will take about 30 to 45 minutes for preparation. We just come for a walk. Anyway, we're going to trek, so might as well start walking now. Just get a better view of this landscape. So just from the spot, we have paid parking available here, as vehicles are not allowed further. So you can come by your vehicle, park here, and start a trek. Okay, lunch done. We're starting at 1:10. 1:10 ही होना time. Yeah, 1:10 exactly.
110. हाँ.
So everyone loaded with their backpacks. And all set to walk.
We have everything.
Yes.
Really bro, क्या पला?
Everyone, Facebook.
Cap ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳ ಬೇಡ. Because today, if you set one rhythm, na, it will be very helpful for you guys. Okay? And initially, your breath will get fast, but that is normal. Okay? If your breath is too fast, then stop for few seconds and then start.
And also normally who think I'm very strong,
हाँ, वो बताओ.
they will reach on the top, maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah. In the mountain, it's a normal rule. It's numbs. We feel I'm always careful on the mountain. I'm not always, is fighting with the nature. They are definitely on the top.
And so like that, after 4 days, the trek begins. It's starting at 1:15. As you heard the guides speak, these are the tips given. I think first major water crossing. हाँ होगी पूरी. हाँ होगी. Wow, there's a waterfall there. हाँ, so first one photo click ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First water crossing complete. गाड़ी पे आते तो ये बहुत मज़ा होता है. नहीं, हम जब बाइक चलाते हैं ना, तो वाटर क्रॉसिंग के लिए तो ढूंढते हैं हम.
No, bike भी है बहुत है नेपाल में.
हाँ, बाइक टूर भी है ना.
बहुत है.
मुझे वो लासा वाला टूर करना था.
लास्ट वाला तो दूसरा.
एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप.
दूसरा साइड है.
हाँ. चाइना का. बट फ्रॉम नेपाल ही तो शुरू होता है ना, क्योंकि परमिट्स के लिए तो वही.
परमिट्स के लिए हो गया है.
हाँ, नेपाल में ही ज्वाइन करना पड़ता है उसको. It is 1:35, so count like 20 minutes. What are your first impressions of first 20 minutes?
It's okay. We are walking on a trail where vehicles can also go. So it seems like vehicles can go up to Gandruk, and then the real trekking starts.
So today is basically just warm-up trek to acclimatize to the altitude, your breathing technique, catch up a standard pace as you walk. So you're meant to walk when vehicles are passing by. Doesn't feel nice. Hisam Singh.
Good.
I at least remember half his name.
It's called surname.
Yeah, surname. But some Singh he said. Arey, come on. They're waiting for customers. This one wants to come with me only. We match each other's pace.
ये ट्रायल बोलते हैं
अगले कैंप पे चलते सीधे
ज़्यादा enthusiastic है ये। कौन सा चले
Tell me now, come on.
Updates on what?
1 hour into the trek. We reached Gandruk.
We haven't reached Gandruk.
I mean, we reached the arch, no? I mean,
The entrance.
Entrance. So, entrance means we reached, no?
We are walking to the
That
village.
we will keep walking for the next 4-5 days. For 7 days.
Yes. We have only one task.
Only task is to walk. Make sure you walk every day.
ಏನು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು?
Ah.
ಇದಾ
ಫೋಟೋಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಶುರು. Oh, it is old mess, not today's mess. हर्षित जी आगे बढ़िए. And waterfall on the way again. The second one for today.
और 7-8 में तब तो चालू ही नहीं हुआ था, हम लोग थे 5-6 में थे 7-8 में आ गए.
So we have 3 streets. Gorepani
And
Maheshrambara temple.
Bahar temple, a cap.
So we have the list of homestays and lodges here. We're almost there. 10 more minutes.
5 minutes.
Reached our destination for today. Annapurna guest house. All our photographers are here. So our room 203 with this view. So this is our basically has 3 beds, 1 double and 1 single. But one room, 2 of us are sharing. Me and Nitish are here. It's okay. This here is the washroom. It's more than sufficient for where we are right now. Okay, so we are off. The time is 3:45 Nepal time. We are out on a village tour. Village tour, a village trek. What do you call this? Yeah, village trek. Village tour. Local sightseeing in Gandruk. How many of us are going? 3, 7, 10, about 15 of us are here. I don't know what's the plan of the rest of them. So we're on.
We're going to be exploring the Nepali culture today.
Nepali culture, is it?
Tradition.
Chalo.
Gurum culture.
So all details will keep coming out in voices, okay? Even if I'm not talking, information is passed over.
Yeah, we're just going to help him. Workload management.
Workload management. This is how you find address details here. With street numbers and letters to it. As I showed earlier. So one road goes up, one goes down. I'm actually lagging behind. I was asked to cover the head. I'm not wearing my monkey cap, so doing the buff and the cap. See that setup with the guitar and all. We're walking in the villages here. I don't know which street where we are, but the guide is in front. We're following. See how they grow veggies here. Their agriculture. A lot of flowers. They have a lot of cabbage here. They have cabbage, corn, sugarcane in some places. That is water. Not here. Sugar is gardening in this house. You see this? There's something called Divers here. The wall where you stick your passport size photos. Chalo, museum. Yeah? Hey, you super bro.
Where is the temple? Traditional old Gurung cultural document.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರನೇ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ನನಗೆ ಅವಾಗ
ನಾನು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ ನನ್ನ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ
ಬ್ರೋ ಏನು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ ಸೊ ಐ ಮೇಡ್ our guide, our cameraman. I got the museum tickets here at Gandhur.
Gandhur, yeah.
Okay, let's go in.
What's that?
No, got it.
Ticket.
Your family.
All family in the same room.
Okay.
And the room structure is same like this one. Everyone. It doesn't matter whether you have 8, 10, 50 members. We only share, like, you know, only the cemetery building was made. And like before, it all used to have this kind of house. These all are the materials we used to use in our daily life. And in many parts of Nepal, this kind of tools and, like, you know, instruments are still used. Although the Annapurna region, it's only a small piece of Nepal.
Glass, brass containers.
You know, and just to reflect you guys about the situations, about the conditions, about the history, you know, recorded this museum. Okay, you got it, everyone?
Chalo. ನಡೀರಿ ಬಾಸ್
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಪಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Okay, we have dual lighting.
ಅದಾಗಿದೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಸೊ ಲೈಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ? ಓಕೆ. There are no lights here. This is all at clay mud, no? So I'm showing you everything with phone light. So they just have some old suitcases. You see these walls? Just mud walls. Wooden planks inside. And then this clay mud is pasted. Barrels.
Not our barrels, but
No, I know what they use this for. I think to store grains.
correct.
You see these baskets. These are all things that these people currently use as well.
ಸರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ.
Off ಮಾಡಲಾ? Okay, it's pitch dark. There's no light inside. We have one hole here.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು?
I think to
Ventilation.
ventilation. No, not ventilation. I think light passes through or something. Might be. Not sure.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Axe, hammer. See something is stored here. ಇದೇನಿದೆ? ರಾಗಿನಾ? Yeah, ragi is there.
ರಾಗಿ
ಎತ್ತಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ?
ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ರಾಗಿ.
Yeah. So they grow ragi also here.
ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಇಳಿರಿ.